Hello all, as a continuation of my lecture series in special electrical machines, already we have completed two units which is of synchronous motors and induction motors, and coming to third unit it is about stepper motor. So in this video we are going to see about the introduction, construction, working principle, types and applications. So as we have already learnt about the construction of PMVLDC and synchronous machines, and now a stepper motor, it is also known as a step motor or a stepping motor. So the picture shows the appearance of stepper motor. So it is a brushless DC electric motor that divides a full rotation into number of equal steps. So a standard motor will have a step angle of 1.8 degrees with 200 steps per revolution. So this is the basic introduction about the stepper motor. Coming to construction of stepper motor, as all the motors have, it also has a stator and a rotor. The stator is made of silicon steel stampings and it has projected poles, usually even number of poles. So the pole carry concentric windings. Coming to rotor, it is a solid silicon steel which is used for core of the rotor, and the rotor has projecting teeth on its outer periphery. Here the one thing that is to be noted is the number of rotor teeth and stator pole should not be equal. This makes the motor self-starting. So if it is equal, then we talk about motor locking. So if the teeths are not equal, then this motor is considered as self-starting motor. Coming to the construction, so here we have windings and phases of stator and rotor are shown here. So each phase it is controlled with a switch S1 and the input is DC for stepper motor. So coming to principle of stepper motor, the operation of this motor works on the principle that unlike poles attract each other and like poles repel each other, as we all know. When stator windings are excited with a DC supply, it produces magnetic flux and establishes the north and south poles. The shaft of the stepper motor rotates in discrete step increment when electrical command pulses are applied in proper sequence. So we will have a drive circuit for the stepper motor which will give the input pulse. The motor rotation has direct relationship with applied input pulses. The speed of the motor shaft rotation is directly related to frequency of the input pulse. So this is the basic principle of stepper motor, that same poles repel each other and unlike poles attract each other. Coming to modes of operation of stepper motor, we have four modes of operation: one phase on or full step mode, and 2-1-2-1 phase on. This is called as half stepping, and two phase on mode and micro stepping. These are all the four modes of operation in which a stepper motor works. So one phase on is, so we will have either phase 1 or phase B or phase C is switched on. So the one mentions this is similar to the clock state. So when it is reset, the first one is reset and phase 1 is on, and again phase B is on, and phase C is on, and phase D is on, and again phase 1. So this process will be keep on repeating for proper steps. So the first step will be 15 degrees from phase A to phase B, and from phase B to phase C another 15 degrees is added, so it makes 30 degrees. So this is how it steps in 15 minutes of operation. Similarly, it continues till 120. So this one phase on, that is full stepping, which varies with the step angle of 15 degrees. So in this video, we have discussed about the introduction of stepper motor, construction and working principle, and some modes of operation in which one phase on mode is discussed in this video. So in the upcoming videos, we will see about the other stepping modes of operation. So this is rotor position of phase excitation, where first when A is 1, in the first part, and in the second rotation A is rotated to 15 degrees. See here we can have, so here it is again 30 degrees, and here it is again 45 degrees. So this is how the motor rotation is done for one phase on mode of operation. So we will meet in the next video for the other modes of operation. Thank you.